Hello everybody, it's time to find our winner of the This and That Fabfitfun and Bombay and Cedar Mystery Bundle Battle. This was held on August 4th and we are going to see who our winner is. We're going to pop over to the YouTube comment picker. I have the URL in. I have everywhere you go was our word. We're filtering for duplicates. 2 plus 6 is 8 and we had 54 unique comments. Well, that's quite a bit. Thank you all for participating. Now we're going to pop over here and see who the winner is. I want to wish you all the best of luck. As you know, I already have another This and That Fabfitfun versus Bombay and Cedar Mystery Bundle battle going on. So there's another opportunity to win, and there'll be plenty more. And I just want to thank all of you. I appreciate each and every one of my subscribers. So good luck to you all. Here we go. Who's the winner? Who's the winner? Amber Bright. Hey Amber, congratulations, you're the winner. She says, hey Miss Jackie, I think that Bombay and Cedar won this battle. I rate this box a 10 and I give Fabfitfun a 7. My favorite items were the Everywhere You Go travel notebook set and the vapor stick. Thanks for sharing, friend. Hope you are doing well. Well, that is wonderful, Amber, and let me check to see if she's publicly subscribed. I'm back, and yes, Amber is publicly subscribed to Miss Jackie Russell. I kind of already knew that, but I wanted to double check and make sure. And Amber, you have 48 hours to contact me. You can reach me at missjackierussell@yahoo.com, and I will get your package out to you right away. Do remember you must be 18 years or older, have an address within the continental USA, and YouTube or any of the products shown has no affiliation with this giveaway. And everybody, let's congratulate Amber. Be sure and check my descriptions for any other giveaways that are out there, which there are, and be sure and enter in for your chance to win. As for now, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.